what we need a machine with load runner. So I will be providing you a startup kit. Startup kit contains load runner software and documents and PPTs for load runner. So what you see out here is the latest version that I use right now is 9.5, and this is in front of me open on the system. So what you see out here is load runner is actually divided into 3 programs or 3 modules, and each module, or 3 tools we can say, each module is a separate entity. So if you see the module 1 is create and edit script, this section is called as VUGen, which is known as virtual user generator. So what it does, this module is responsible for automating a manual process. That means anything that is to be automated will be done here through programming. Second module is run load test. Run load test like we have created a script in module 1. And why we created a script in module 1? So that we can run the load for that particular script. So what we do, we actually move the script from module 1 to module 2 and then run the same script for number of users. So in one line we can say module 2 provides you a mechanism where you can run the same script for multiple users. Now module 2 also does one more interesting thing, is it captures the data, the performance statistics that is used for performance testing, like the kind of metrics that it adds. It measures is hit per second, throughput per second, average response time, etc. and etc. So these are the things that I'll be taking in the program. And now the third module is basically responsible for generating the results into beautiful graphs and pie charts so that you can analyze the data which is collected by module 2. So what you do out here is so 70% of the training focus will be on module 1, because this is the module where you will be doing a little bit of programming and doing everything through automation. So module 1 is called as the virtual user generator, and virtual user generator uses a script or a programming language known as TSL, test script language, which is a Mercury proprietary language. So this TSL is derived from C. So you will see that the syntax of C are very much followed in TSL. So the first thing that we need to do in load runner is go to file, go to new, and after going to new, that load runner will ask you that which application you want to automate, or for which application you want to run your performance test. So right now what we are looking for, because these days what is happening is majority of applications are coming on web. So in this demo, I have taken web HTTP as the protocol and select as create. So now what you see, load runner will configure the new script which is getting generated through libraries, and with these libraries will be for web applications. So what you can say, we can broadly divide load runner in script generation into 4 parts: recording, verification, enhancement, and prepare for load test. What we mean, recording, we'll be doing step by step. Mercury also provides you a sample application. So for this demo, I'm taking that sample application so that you guys can easily see that sample application available to your systems as well. So if you go here, I have started the sample application, and after starting a sample application, I just need to create step 1, that is recording. So in recording, what you need to do, you need to specify the URL on which you want to record. So if you again go to programs, load runner directory, where it is, load runner sample, and in sample you will see that this is the URL to the sample application. So what is happening in the sample application? Server is up. That's the reason we can see application is up and running. So now all I need to do is put this URL here and click OK. So what happens, as soon as you click OK, load runner will try to open a new instance of the browser. that is Internet Explorer. And why it opens the new instance of the browser? Because whatever operations you are performing right now will be recorded in LoadRunner. So as soon as you click on recording, you will see the event counter getting generated, which means that your LoadRunner is recording the script perfectly all right. So if you have configured LoadRunner correctly, then you will see that event counter getting increasing. What is mean by event counter? That in order to view this page, LoadRunner needs these particular downloadable items to be downloaded from the web server. These items could be images, web scripts, JavaScripts, logos, HTML, etc. and etc. So what you do is right now it's simple. So I'm just clicking stopping the script. Now LoadRunner, what will LoadRunner do? LoadRunner will try to generate script. And what we mean by try to generate script is LoadRunner will convert that script to a LoadRunner script. And if you click on the script view out here, you can see that LoadRunner has generated the script. So if I do a replay of the same script, so if you can see the script getting replayed perfectly all right, which means the script is recorded fine. So what I say here is, in these are the recording logs, and in the recording logs there is no red color error message. All the error message are marked in red color. So right now I don't see any red color error message. Okay, so now second step would be taking that script, taking this particular script to the controller script and then analyzing the script, right? So this is what we do in LoadRunner. So the